In this video, we are going to see how we can create the 3D figure of yourself or any person sitting on the computer screen, like a miniature version of yourself. And it's been trending nowadays on the internet. A lot of people have created this, and it's very simple to create with Gemini. So let's find out how we can create this. First of all, just go to gemini.google.com, start a new chat. Let me just collapse this and let's insert a picture. And in the picture, we want to make sure that the picture should be a top to bottom shot. So let's use any picture. Let's say this one. So if you have a similar kind of picture from top to bottom, here's what you can do after that. These are some of the prompts that is given by Google, and I have created some different variants to see different results, but this original one is provided by Gemini. So let's find out how it creates this image. The original image looks like this. Let me just open this. So the original image looks like this, but I want to create a toy version of this picture. So here is a simple prompt. Create a 1:7 scale commercialized figure of the characters in the picture in the realistic style in the real environment. You can read through all of this. Let's just find out how it creates and transforms this picture. And look at this, guys. This is exactly what we see on the internet, and you can see how easy it is to create such a photo. Let me just use one other photo of myself, but that is not top to bottom shot. Let's try the same command here. I uploaded it here. Let's process this. And we can see that it still created the shot for us, although it didn't match the face correctly like this photo, but still it's good. All right, let's try another photo. Let's say this time we use only this picture. So if you have a shot like this, let's click on open, paste this, or actually let's try some other command. So these are different variants. If you want an artisan version of it, let's select that, paste it here, and you will understand once it processes this. So this is the original image, and this is the miniature version of it. So basically what it has done, it didn't create a toy box for this mini 3D model, but in fact, it has created a box and a couple of painting brushes and painting colors. Let's find out how it looks in the third variant. Let's use some other picture, and let's say this picture, paste the command, submit, and look at this result. It has also created some toy effect of my son sitting at the back end. So this is how it looks. It has created some toys on the desk, and it looks like a picture of 90s table with a monitor and a miniature 3D effect. Also, let's find out a bonus prompt, that is this, and let's just paste it here and submit it again. So as you can see, this prompt says that create a commercialized figure of the character in the illustration in a hyper-realistic future tech lab environment. So it is following exactly that, and you can see the overall effect. Now, whenever you want to download any full-size image, let's download this. And this is how the final version looks like. Pretty awesome, right? So that's how we can create some super realistic 3D models using Nano Banana. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.